Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Cloud Storage for data streaming. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a Google Cloud Platform account. Log in to your Google Cloud Console. Create a new project by clicking on the project drop-down at the top. Select New Project from the menu. Name your project and click Create. Once your project is created, navigate to the I am an admin section. Select Service Accounts from the sidebar. Click on Create Service Account at the top of the page. Fill in the service account name and description. Click Create to proceed. Next, assign the necessary roles for accessing Google Cloud Storage. You may choose Storage Admin for full access or a more restricted role based on your needs. Click Continue once roles are assigned. In the next step, you can skip adding users and click Done. Locate your newly created service account in the list. Click on the three dots next to it and select Manage Keys. Click on Add Key and choose JSON. This action will download. Securely store this file as it contains your authentication credentials. Now, open your development environment or application where you plan to authenticate. Install the Google Cloud Storage Client library if you haven't already. For Python, use the command pip install Google Cloud Storage. Import the necessary libraries in your code. Load the JSON key file for authentication. For Python, you can use the code from Google.Cloud Import Storage. Set the environment variable for authentication using your JSON key file path. You can do this with os.environ Google_application_credentials equals path /to/your/keyfile.json. Now, initialize the cloud storage client in your code. Use the command client equals storage client. You are now ready to interact with Google Cloud Storage. To stream data, access your storage bucket using bucket equals client.get_bucket, your bucket name. You can now upload or download files as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.